Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to get QR code for WhatsApp. Having your QR code allows others to easily add you on WhatsApp by scanning it, making connections faster and simpler. So, let's get started on how to get QR code for WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for the QR code icon next to your profile option. It's usually located at the top of the settings list. Tap on the QR code icon to view and access your WhatsApp QR code. This code can be scanned by others to quickly add you as a contact. And this is how you can get QR code for WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.